चेंज करके कुछ IO कार्ड्स हमें ऐड करना है। तो अभी हम लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था कि L से 82 था, वहाँ पे हम कंट्रोलर चेंज नहीं कर सकते थे। यहाँ पे वी कैन चेंज द कंट्रोलर। just right click on the controller, yeah, right click on the controller, go to the properties, and in the properties here in the general tab you can see the change controller option. Okay, then click on the change controller option, and in the type go down at end. Here you can see emulate 5570 Studio 5000 Logix emulate. Click on it, and then click on OK. Here you see the logic designer changing the controller type from L71 to emulate 5570 will affect the project in number of ways. Click on yes, it will take 10 seconds to 15 seconds to change the controller. Just wait. Now your controller is created, and if you want to change the name of controller, then you can also change. Here you can change the emulator controller, emulator 1. Okay, if requires, otherwise you can keep it as it is, then click on OK. Okay, now the controller change activity is done. Means if your physical program is ready to emulate or simulate. Now you don't have the emulated IO cards here, then you need to add that emulate card. Which card you want to add? Just go to the emulator, keep the configuration like this, and other card you can delete it for right now for the test, because we are seeing the 3 and 4 we have the slot we have reserved for another card. We need to replace change that slot number with the 5 and 6. That's why just you can remove that 5 and 6 from the chassis. Just right click and remove from the 5 and 6. Only keep 3 and 4. Okay, then here you can change the chassis number, slot number from 4 to 6. I will go to change its slot number is 4 to 6, because I want to add that 3 and 4. Just change this 3 also with the 5, change the 3 with the 5. Okay, done. And just confirm your configuration is like this, huh? Okay, then follow me. Just right click on the back plane, click on new module, and here just filter the digital. Select all. Go down. see, generic 1756 module is there. See, generic 175 model is there. Are you able to see that module? Generic, just type it 1756 module, generic module. Otherwise you can type it 1756 dash module, you get it. Okay, then create, click on create, and here I will give name sim sim.io1. Give the name as sim.io1, and here is the assembly instance. Enter 1 and size is 2. Enter size is 2 in input, and in output assembly instance is 2 and size is 1. Okay, and in configuration keep as it is, and select this slot number is 3. Slot number is 3, and click on OK. Click on OK. Output is OK. Here you in the configuration put enter the 16 in the configuration assembly instance 16. Check it, input 1, size 2, output assembly instance 2 and size 1, configuration 16 and size is 0 and slot number is 3. Click on OK. Now your module is created, and here you see in the requested pocket interval is 5 millisecond. I will just increase to 50 millisecond. Increases 50 millisecond and click on apply. Click on apply. And then click on module. Again I need to add second module. You can add your own 1756 dash module. Click it here, create sim_io2, and same here 1, 2, output 2, size 1, configuration 16 and size 0, and here data type is keep as it is data int, and slot number is 4. Slot number is 4. Okay, click on OK. Okay, and then change RPI from 5 to 50. Change RPI from 5 to 50. Click on OK. In the tag you can able to see this IO module tag is added. For the third slot I, O and C, and for 4 I, O and C. In the local 3I you seen the local data I dot data is in that you are able to see 0 and 1, and this is reserved, and we are using this data 1. There is you can able to see 32 DI channels. 32 DI channels in 3i data 1, and in output there is local 3O data. O is represent for output, and in local data you can able to see local 3O data 0, and here you can able to see 32 channels. Okay, and then in 4 also the similar case is there, 4 data 0 and data 1, and here also this is reserved and we are going to use this one, data 1, and here is also 32 channels, and this in the output also the same one is 32 channels is there, and here we can you need to add, you have added, right click on the properties, click on the properties, see the configuration like this, see the configuration is similar, and the 4 module number 4, they see the configuration 1756 modules and module name it's same. Open it, properties, go to properties, right click in the module, go to properties, AENTR assembly, okay, and the module 221, okay, the configuration is same, okay. Go to the connection, okay, RPI is okay, module info, okay, backplane, okay, click on OK. I think we have one error, okay. Here see the 4 output is there, 4 is there, both are there, click it on 4, yeah, is there, click on 4, okay, is there, okay. Then I will share my screen. Okay, so you are visible to screen.